Imagine having access to technology that was once available to only a select few. A system that analyzes everything for you, provides precise recommendations, and helps you take actions at the right moment. Think of it as your personal assistant, opening doors to new opportunities. My name is Nathan and I've been trading for 8 years. I've made it into the top 10 most successful private traders in Europe. Over the years, I got tired of doing the same thing over and over. Yes, my strategies were working, but I wanted more. That's when, together with a team of developers, we spent 9 months creating AI bot that helps analyze the market and enables traders to make more precise, emotion-free decisions. It handles all the complex work, leaving me with the main part, enjoying the results. And the exciting part, this tool isn't just for experienced traders. You don't need to be an expert to get started. In this video, I'll show you how this bot can become your professional trading assistant, taking care of all the complexities while unlocking new possibilities for you. Are you ready to see how it works? Then let's get started. Important information for those who have never tried trading before. Many people hesitate to start because they think that without experience they won't be able to recharge or make the right decisions. But times have changed. Now automation handles most of the work. That's why I created an AI bot that does everything for you. Now, listen carefully. I have opened access to my AI bot inside my private community. This bot analyzes the market, identifies optimal trades, and eliminates human emotions, one of the biggest risks in trading. Unlike a human, this bot doesn't hesitate, panic, or make rush decisions. It follows a strict algorithm that I've developed over the years to generate consistent results. Now, anyone who wants to achieve financial freedom can use my bot for free. In my private community, you'll see exactly how I use the bot and how I help others understand its full potential. And the most important part is that after you join, I will personally help you set everything up so that you can get started right away. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and start using technology that works for you. Now, let's continue. My platform is already open and we're ready to begin. My AI bot just sent me the pairs to focus on today. Let's select them. Today, I'm not using any indicators because my smart assistant is handling all the analytics. Everything is set up and the bot is actively analyzing the first pair. So, let's get started. My AI bot is now indicating a downward move. It has identified that the price has reached a key resistance level. Such levels often halt price movement and trigger a reversal downward. I agree with its analysis and follow my assistant's recommendations, expecting a downward correction. Great start. The price has indeed reversed downward, confirming my AI assistant's insights. Let's see how the situation unfolds. Now, my bot has detected that the price has broken through a key level and is holding above it. This typically indicates that buyers have strength and the market is set to continue moving upward. I'm joining this upward trend following my AI bot's recommendation. Once again, the AI assistant was right. The price is moving upward, confirming its precise analysis. Let's keep going. Here, the bot has spotted that after a decline, the price has stabilized at a level that previously prevented it from going lower. Buyers are actively supporting the price at this point, so my assistant suggests continuing the upward movement. Trusting the bot's recommendation, I enter a trade in an upward direction. Excellent! My bot has once again accurately identified the market situation. The price continues to rise. Let's keep trading. We're only halfway through the session, and I can already see what my AI assistant is capable of. Over the years, I've realized one thing. There is no place for chaos in trading. Everything is based on strategy, logic, and experience. That's why I spent 8 years learning the intricacies of the market, testing hundreds of methods, and ultimately automating the process. I have dedicated years to finding effective strategies, analyzing data, and testing countless approaches. But no matter how much effort I put in, humans are still limited by emotions, fatigue, and time. That's exactly why I created an AI bot, a trading assistant that automates the process, eliminating human errors. This bot doesn't second-guess itself, doesn't make emotional decisions, and never get tired. It follows a precise algorithm that I've spent years perfecting. Now, you have the chance to test it for yourself. In my closed community, in addition to a free bot, you will find analysis of training sessions, training materials, and my support. Every day, members of my community use this bot to simplify their trading and achieve better results. But here's the thing, I personally help every new member get started, which means spots are limited. If you want to test the bot in action, click the first link in description or pinned comment and sign up. Now, let's continue. AI bot once again recommends an upward move. It has detected that after a brief pause, the price has started to climb gradually, forming a steady upward movement on a chart. I can see that there is still room for a price to rise before it reaches the next resistance level, so I accept my assistant's suggestion and continue moving upward. Fantastic! My AI bot and I have once again correctly determined the direction. Let's move on. Now, the bot indicates that the trend is shifting downward. It has noticed that after breaking a level, the price failed to continue rising confidently and has instead started moving sideways. This suggests that buyers may be losing strength and the price could return downward. I follow my AI bot's suggestion and anticipate a decline. Great work from my assistant. Once again, the chart confirms its recommendations. Moving on to the next setup. The AI bot has detected an active upward movement that is now building strength. It recommends joining this rise as the strength of buyers has noticeably increased. I agree and follow this direction to take advantage of a current trend. Amazing! Once again, my bot has accurately spotted a change in dynamics and pointed us in the right direction. Now, the bot is once again indicating an upward move. It has spotted that the chart has broken through a key level after a brief consolidation, and now the price is pushing higher. Typically, after such breakouts, the price continues moving up confidently. I follow my assistant's recommendations and go with an upward trend. A perfect way to end the trading session. Today, the AI bot has clearly demonstrated its effectiveness in helping make the right decisions. Stay on top by making the most of technology. As you watch my AI bot in action, you might be wondering, how can I use this assistant for myself? I understand what it's like to start from scratch. At first, everything seems complicated, confusing, and risky. But before I successfully developed this AI bot, I had to go through 8 years of learning, trial and error. I trained, practiced, and refined my skills. But as technology advanced, I realized that staying ahead meant adapting to new tools. That's why I created an AI bot, a fully autonomous assistant that makes trading accessible, prevents beginner mistakes, and simplifies the entire process. It analyzes the market, processes data faster than a human, and eliminates random decisions based on emotions. Inside my private community, you will get access to the bot, learn how to use it, and start applying it in real trades. You don't need to spend years studying charts or wasting time on trial and error. The bot does the hard work for you. All you need is a phone and the willingness to try. Right now, access to the bot is still free, but I personally train and guide every new member, which means spots are limited. If you want to test this tool, click the link in the description or pinned comment and join the community now. And remember, even the greatest strategies don't guarantee 100% success. Trading always carries risks. That's all for me for today. See ya.